Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 5 Taxonomic Hierarchy. What is taxonomic hierarchy? The classification system of living organisms. You can see kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, very general and very large group. Species, very specific and relatively smaller group as compared to kingdom. Taxonomy is the science of classification of living organisms. Taxonomic hierarchy organizes organisms into different levels based on similarities and relationships. It helps scientists identify and study biodiversity. Levels of taxonomic hierarchy. The main taxonomic ranks are domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. These are 8 groups. Domain, greatest number of organisms, and it's a broad group. On the other hand, species, least number of organisms, and it's a specific group. Domain is the highest level of classification. There are 3 domains: archaea, bacteria, eukarya. These are 3 main domains: archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. These are 3 domains of 3-domain system. Kingdom is the second major rank below domain. It groups organisms with fundamental characteristics. Examples: kingdom Animalia, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Protista. Phylum and class. Phylum groups organisms within a kingdom sharing common body plans. Class divides organism within a phylum based on more specific traits. Examples are phylum Chordata and class Mammalia. And next is order and family. Order groups related families with shared characteristics. Family contains closely related genera. Example: order Primates and family Hominidae. Genus and species. Genus contains closely related species. Species is the most specific level of classification. Members of a species can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Example: Homo sapiens, human beings. Homo sapiens are human beings. Taxonomic classification of human. Domain Eukarya, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Hominidae, and genus Homo, species Homo sapiens. This is the taxonomic classification of Homo sapiens. Taxonomic hierarchy provides an organized system for classifying life. Each level becomes more specific from domain to species. It helps understand evolutionary relationships among organisms. Thank you.